What's the meaning of this? I demand an explanation.
Charlie, there's no need to yell.
Ah! Your Excellency! I meant no
Disrespect. Yada, yada, yada. Cut the chit-chat. We both know why you're here.
What are you talking about?
Where's my tithe money, Charlie?
I don't even attend church no more.
Luigi, how far behind is Charlie on his tithing? That's a lot of money, Charlie.
I don't got it, boss. I just spent my paycheck on a new washing machine for the missus.
Is that so?
Yeah.
Well, if that's the case, I don't know if I can protect you no more.
You don't mean?
Oh, yes, Charlie. The Devourer's coming for you.
No. Please.
It's out of my hands.
Yeah, boss.
Release the Devourer.
You got it, boss.